Assalamualaikum class 2. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing great at your homes. Before starting our today's topic, we have to recall our previous one. So what is our previous topic? So Siha bachche, you tell me what is our previous topic? Good. Our previous topic is addition. We have solved the addition with activities. हमने क्या किया था? हमने numbers को add भी किया था but through activities. Here some word used in your activity which is previous. Topic. Our previous topic is addition. हमने एक्टिविटी सॉल्व की थी, एक्टिविटी 1, 2 and 3. रिविजन करते हैं एक्टिविटी 3 की, which is 12 goldfish were taken from a fish tank. Now we have a fish tank. Fish tank. 12 goldfish. Fish were taken from a tank. Fishes are like this. We have 12 goldfish. A person used 12 goldfish from a were taken from a fish tank to be sold out the shop. अब ये fish tank था, उसमें से उसने 12 goldfish निकाल ली for sold in a shop. और इसमें क्या किया? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 14 were left in the fish tank. So अब वो आपसे पूछ रही हैं how many fish were there to start with. उसने कितने फिशेस से काम किया? 12 उसने सोल्ड आउट कर दी एंड 14 उसके अभी भी क्या है? फिश टैंक में मौजूद हैं. Now we have to find the answer of this. 12 he used for to sort and 14 are left in the fish tank. So we will add these two numbers, which is first is 12 and second is 14. Start writing the place value. What is the total of 2 and 4? इसे बेटा आप मुझे बताएं. What is the total of 2 and 4? The total of 2 and 4 is 6. 1 and 1. What is the total of 1 and 1? Arush, you tell me what is the total of 1 and 1? Good. The total of 1 and 1 is 2. So our answer is 2 and 6. From 26 fishes, he start his business or whatever उसने business start किया, उसने काम start किया, जो भी था तो 26 क्या हो जाएंगे? He start from 26 fishes. Fishes नहीं, fish. Now now we will go on today topic. अब हम क्या करेंगे? अपने आज के टॉपिक पे जाएंगे, which is addition, converting tens and hundreds. Now we have some examples of converting ones and tens. पहले सिंपल हम क्या कर रहे थे? जस्ट ones की वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट कर रहे थे tens की. Now we have on some numbers that are greater from 9. अब हमारे पास कुछ नंबर्स टेंस की प्लेस वैल्यू में भी नंबर्स ऐसे होंगे जो ग्रेटर देन 9 होंगे और अब हमें उनको चेंज करना पड़ेगा 100 की प्लेस वैल्यू में. So our today topic is addition, converting ones ones or units and tens. No written work for today, just take the concept. In today's lesson, we will solve some examples of converting ones or tens and ones or units and then tens. Just watch the video lesson and take the concept how we can convert the tens into ones into tens and tens into hundreds. Example number 1 is age 100 unit and ones. The number is 66 and second number is change the number. Our first number is 49 and second number is 73. Now we have to solve these two numbers. From where we will start our calculation? रहमत बच्चे आप मुझे बताएं from where we will start our calculation. We will start our calculation from unit or ones place value. So what is the total of 3 and 9? पसीना बच्चे आप मुझे बताएं what is the total of 3 and 9? Good. The total of 3 and 9 is 1 to 12. Which number we have to write on unit and ones place value and which number we have to give carry on tens place value? पसीना बेटा आप मुझे बताएं. Good. We will write the place value of each digit. Now we are able to identify which number have to write on unit and ones place value and which number we have to give carry on tens place value. Magia, you tell me what is the total of these three numbers? First is 1, second is 4 and third is 7. What is the total of these three numbers? Good. The total of these three numbers are 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 7 is equal to 1 to 12. Now we have again two numbers on tens place value. Now we have two numbers on tens place value. So we will write the place value of these two numbers and the place value of 2 is tens and next is 100. So we will write 2 on tens place value and 1 on 100 place value. We have no numbers for adding carry, so we will write 1. अब आप लोग देखो कि टीचर तो हमेशा आपसे यही कहती है कि हम क्या लिखते हैं प्लेस वैल्यूज यूनिट एंड वन से स्टार्ट करते हैं. But when we are adding the 10th place value number and we have two numbers, so we will writing the place value tens because हमें अपने numbers को tens की place value पे लिखना है, not unit और ones की place value पे. अगर हम कहें कि मैं यहाँ पे unit और ones लिख दूँ, then 10 unit और tens ones पे तो already 2 लिखा हुआ है और ये तो already carry given है. सिंपल हमारा स्टेप क्या है, we have to write tens on tens place value and next 100 on ones place value. Now we will solve example number 2. Example number 2 is 100 tens ones or unit, 55 and 47. Now we have to add these two numbers. First is 55 and second is 47. So Shavez, you tell me from where we will start our calculation. Good. We will start our calculation from right hand side and from unit and ones place value. What are the numbers? So of unit and ones place value, Hiba, you tell me. Good. 5 and 7, these are two numbers that belongs to unit and ones place value. What is the total of these two numbers? Halima, you tell me what is the total of 5 and 7? Good. The total of 5 and 7 is 1 to 12. 1 to 12. So, what we have to do? Arush, you tell me what we have to do? Yes, we have to write the place value of each digit. अब आप देखो हम place value कौन से unit और ones. So we have to write 2 on unit and ones place value and give carry ones on tens place value. Again we have 3 numbers. And what is the total of these 3 numbers? Kirat beta, you tell me what is the total of 1, 5 and 4? Good. The total of 4, 5 and 1 is 10. What we have to do? अब हमें क्या करना चाहिए? अयान, you tell me बच्चे. Yes, write the place value tens and 100. हमने tens की place value के numbers को add किया है, so we will write 10, 0 on tens place value and give carry 1 on 100 place value. So we will write 1 on 100 place value. The total of 55 and 47 is 102. Now example number 3. Example number 3 is 82, sorry, unit, ones, 10 and 100, 82 and 85. Now we have to add these numbers. Malaika, you tell me from where we will start our calculation. Good. We will start our calculation from unit or ones place value number. Ibad, you tell me what is the total of 2 and 5? Well done. Well done, Ibad. The total of 2 and 5 is 7. The total of 2 and 5 is 7. 7 is not greater than 9. 7 is not greater than 9. 7 9 से greater नहीं है. So we will write 7 on unit and ones place value number. And no carry on tens place value number. Just हमने 2 numbers को add किया और number is not greater than 9. So we will write just 7 on unit and ones place value number and no carry on tens place value number. Aisha, you tell me what is the total of 8 and 8? Good. The total of 8 and 8 is 16. The total of 8 and 8 is 116. 16. You can draw stars for count 8 and 8. Draw stars 8 first time and draw star 8 second time. Then count all the stars 8 and 8. And 8 and 8 is equal to 16. Which number we have to write on tens place value number and which number we have to give carry on 100 place value? अबीरा, आप मुझे बताएं. Write the place value so that you are able to write the numbers. Good. We will write 6 on tens place value number and give carry 1 to 100 place value number. We have no number on 100 place value, so we will write just 1 of carry on 100 place value. When we add 82 into 85, so our answer is 167. I hope these, by solving and by watching the video lesson, you are able to solve the sum of addition. No written work for today, just watch the videos. Simple क्या है, अगर हमारे numbers 2 digit में आ जाएगा, just write the place value and write the numbers according to the place values and give carry to the next numbers. जब हम next two numbers को add करेंगे, then write the numbers on the tens place value and give carry to the next number. If you find any difficulty, you can text me on Google Classroom or WhatsApp. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.